Hi, I'm Mark Freely, the North Shore Injury Lawyer, and I want to talk to you today about the process of changing attorneys. It's a very simple process. And in reality, I think that many people don't really know that once they sign up with a personal injury attorney, that they can change attorneys. And I get multiple phone calls every month from people concerned about whether their attorney is really moving their case along properly and effectively. They feel like they don't know what's going on with their case. When they call to speak to the attorney, they rarely speak to the actual attorney who's handling their case. So they call me to ask me, listen, is there a way that I could switch to your firm? And the answer is absolutely yes. You can change attorneys in New York State at any time for any reason. And I'm not telling you if your attorney is doing a great job for you, I'm not telling you you should change attorneys. I'm telling you that if you don't have a comfort level with your attorney that you absolutely must have, then you should really think about it. I mean, people get second opinions when it comes to medical issues, and even third opinions when it comes to medical issues all the time. Yet when it comes to a legal opinion, they seem locked in and afraid to call another attorney to say, hey, listen, my attorney's doing XYZ or not doing anything. Should I be concerned? And yeah, you should be concerned. If your attorney is not keeping you fully informed about what is going on with your case, what stage you're at, what he's done so far, what the next step is, what the overall game plan is, then you need to talk to another attorney. The one thing I pride myself in is returning phone calls, because of all the complaints I get from clients that change to us is that the attorney didn't return my phone call. I don't know how you take on a case and represent somebody and not be able to return a phone call. Just recently, someone came to me asking, can they change lawyers? And I looked at the case and it was horrible injuries. So we spoke and she decided, yeah, she wanted to change attorneys because I had given her more information in that first meeting that her lawyer had done over the last 7 years. And I hear that a lot, and I just don't understand why some lawyers don't take the time to keep their clients fully informed. I treat clients the way I think I would want to be treated if I had a case. So yes, you can change lawyers. And the process is very simple. You would meet with me. We would go over the case. There's a simple consent to change attorney form. You would sign it. I would sign it. I will send it to the other attorney. You don't have to have any involvement in the process at all. I will ask the attorney what expenses they've paid out so far. I will immediately reimburse them with a check of my own. It will not cost you any more legal fees. I think that's a misconception, is that people think, well, I signed a 1/3 retainer with this first lawyer. Now if I get another lawyer, I have to sign another 1/3 retainer? Does that mean I'm paying out 2/3? Absolutely not. You could have 3 or 4 lawyers, not that you should have, not that you should, but the first lawyer and the second lawyer are going to split the 1/3 fee. How does it get broken up? It gets broken up based upon how much work each lawyer did. None of that will delay your case at all, and none of it will hold up you getting paid at the end of the case. You don't have to have any contact with the attorney if you don't want to. The other attorney may call you finally, now that they've learned that you don't want to use their services anymore, and beg for you to stay. But that's up to you whether you want to have telephone contact with the prior attorney or not. And at the end of the case, they'll get taken care of for any work that they did. So there really is no guilt in the process either. You can change attorneys at any time for any reason.